Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my high puff, or as others may call it, a pineapple. So in this first clip, I'm just looking at how dry my hair is, and that's because I had my hair pretty much tied up for 2 full days. I really didn't do anything much to it at all. And so what I'm doing right now is just using my water bottle and damping my hair with just water only. And this is to help moisturize my hair and just make it a bit easier for me to be able to pull it up in one for my pineapple. So as you can see, I'm taking my time with this water, but I'm pretty much going to spray a little bit of water over my entire hair. I am also going to spray just a little bit on my ends, but I don't want my ends to become too damp or too wet where it sort of loses its curl pattern. So I'm only going to spray a little bit on the ends of my hair, but I'm definitely going to ensure that the roots of my hair and the edges are fully saturated. And so now I'm using Keto Curls Butter Me Up Hair Butter just to add a little bit more moisture to the edges of my hair, and I'm going to apply this on the front and on the back of my hair. And then once I am done applying the butter, I'm going to take my hands and just ensure that I rub it in good a bit more. And yeah. And so now I'm using my soft bristle brush just to brush the edges of my hair to help give it a bit more sleek look, because I don't want the back or the front of it to be wavy. Now it's not going to give me that perfect sleek look, but it's going to help just to pull it up in one a bit easier. As you can see, I don't really use a lot of gel. I don't feel so much gel is needed to hold the hair in place, especially if you use water and butter. And that's the reason I damp my hair and I use a little bit of like moisturizing cream or butter, because it helps me not have to go so heavy-handed with the gel once I'm trying to control the edges of my hair. And again, I'm going to go back in with my brush just to brush everything in place and to make sure I am 100% satisfied with the way it looks. And then pretty much after this, I'm just going to come off of camera to fix my puff the way I wanted to get that desired pineapple look that I'm going for. You can do your puff however you want it. You can fix it however you want to get that desired look that you want for your pineapple. And this is just pretty much it, guys. This is how I achieve my high puff, or as others may say, my pineapple.